On our pads, they're usually in remote locations, and we need to download data all the time, streaming data constantly. And so we need a 100% uptime connection for data. The dish in a box is a combination of two technologies. It's a cellular technology and a low Earth orbit satellite technology. What we've done is we found out that StarLinks work really, really well in these locations, but sometimes they drop out and we need a backup, and our backup is a cellular data connection. And so the dish in a box is basically a cellular radio with a StarLink antenna. The StarLink comes as an antenna with a motorized base, and the motorized base created a lot of difficulty for us. We would send them out into the field, we'd get broken ones back. And so what we started to do was just cut the back off of the StarLink. But basically the best part of the StarLink is just the antenna. So we wanted to keep that, and we wanted to make it small enough so that we could fit it inside a box so that we could ship it. On site, there's typically a number of power stations. They're light plants that you can pull power off of, and that's what we run our equipment off of. One light plant goes down, we have a battery inside the case that gives us about 25 to 30 minutes of emergency time for the staff to run out and find a new location to plug that unit in. There's a few pieces that are custom made, so the best solution for that is a 3D printed part, and one of the parts that we made was a mount for an antenna on the side of a case, and the other thing was is a cable strain, and it's where the cable exits the back of the StarLink. It has to be very strong, it has to be watertight, it has to be able to withstand hot and cold environments, and it's an excellent way of solving those problems. For testing, I mean, these are new parts to us, and so we've made one prototype, and I just let it run out back of the building here for about 2 weeks, and we would try things, try to make it fail, and we try to give those as much burn time as we can, or run time, to let them really expose any weaknesses they might have, and it's been running flawlessly, so quite happy.